Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to upload your CV on Indeed. Very simple the process. First off, launch your Indeed account, and then the next thing you're going to see right here is post your CV. This is the home page actually. So once you've created your account successfully, it's going to take you to this home page where you can explore a lot of activities to have a great time on Indeed. Now, because we want to upload or we want to upload a CV actually on Indeed, here's what you can do. So go ahead and click on this post your CV, and it's going to open up processes for you to follow through. So CV is invariably known as resume on Indeed, so click on upload resume, or you can build an Indeed resume. So I want to upload this CV, and I'm just going to click open there, and Indeed. So what happened here is Indeed picked out specific information from your CV to build a personalized profile settings for you. So they want you to review the resume to ensure that they are correct. So what's your name? Fine, my name is correctly spelled. If it's not correctly spelled, you can just change that. And then your phone number. Does your phone number, do you want to show your phone number on Indeed? If you want to, click on the checkbox. If you don't want to, just uncheck it, that's fine. Click on continue, and it's going to take you here. So yes, my address is correct, so I can just click on continue, and it's going to take me to the next part. Review education, that's fine. So if you don't want anyone to be, so you can just click on this delete button. If you want to remove anyone, or if you want to make changes or edits, just click on the pencil icon. If you want to add another, just click on this add another, and then click on continue, and then the next window is going to open up. That's review your work experience. Remember what I said. If you want to edit, click on the edit button. If you want to remove any, click on the delete icon there. So I just think I want to let all of these stay, and if you want to add another, please follow through with the process. Click on continue, and then here review your skills. So here are some skills that I have already added. If you think that one of them doesn't suit you, just go ahead and click on this delete icon, scroll the way down, add a skill. So these are the skills already. If you want to add more, you can also start typing to search. Use the search bar to add more skills. And then next, click on continue. So what certification licenses do you have? Do you have any? Go ahead and add that here. If you have any, then just click continue. Once you're done, is your resume ready? Check a summary. All right, so you can even add a personal summary here of yourself, personal information like that. So work experience, everything is fine. I like it. And then head over to continue. So do you want your resume or your CV to be searchable on Indeed, or do you don't want it to be searchable? If you don't want it to be searchable, you can click here. If you want it to be searchable, click here. So if it's searchable, then employers will easily find you. But then if it's not searchable, the employers will find it difficult to find you. Click on continue. So what are you looking for in your next job? You can now click on this plus icon to add a job title. Repeat the same process for adding your work schedule, adding your pay, how much you want to get paid, and then adding your location, and then remote. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on finish, and then that's it. So if you go to continue profile, click on continue profile, you'll see that your customized or your personalized profile settings have been created based on the results of your resume. So this is pretty much it. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.